Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're okay. We are in our English class number 10 and today is Thursday, April 23rd and the year is 2020. Okay, for today we are going to be working in our notebook. We have to check all those activities that we gave to you the day that you went to the school to pick up some material. And now we are going to start by reviewing the activities in the grammar section, okay? So I'm going to show you one by one the activities for today. If you already paste them in your notebook, that's great. You don't have to do it again. But if you haven't pasted them yet, so you can check which images or which activities do you need to complete your notes, okay? So let's join me with this class and welcome. Okay guys, we already are in the grammar section. Okay, this activity is very simple. What we have to do is to complete the information by using there is, there's, or there are according to our words, our nouns, okay? So we have to pay attention how many people or how many objects or how many animals do we have here, okay? So in this case, it says a grandma, okay? It's a singular sentence. So when we have a singular sentence, we have to use theirs, okay? But on the contrary, in the second case, we have five birds, okay? When we have a sentence in plural, because it says five, so we need to complete the sentence by using there are, okay? Let's get started with the first one. Okay, so let me pick up my pencil, please. And let's get started then. Okay, so the first one says, I don't know what's happened here. Okay, that's it. Okay, it's theirs. Oh my God. Okay, I will try to do it again. Okay, don't forget that we can say there is, or if we want to use our contraction, we need to add the apostrophe. Okay, there's a grandma. Okay, in the second case, it says five birds. So it is a plural word. So we are going to write down there is. There I know that today my my handwriting is not so good. Okay, forgive me for that. Okay, in the third case, it says a grandpa. Okay, we're talking about only one grandpa. We're talking about him. So in this case, we must write there is to complete our sentence. Okay, there. We use the apostrophe here and we add the letter S, okay? There's a grandpa. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. It says a bench, okay? The bench is the furniture where they are sit, okay? This is a bench, the furniture that we can find in the parks, okay? So let's complete our sentence. And we are going to write there is like this, okay? There apostrophe S, okay? There's a bench. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. It says trees. As you can see, we have this S and it's a plural noun. So when it's plural, we have to complete using there are, okay? There are, okay. And finally, we have in the same case, Okay, we have flowers. It's also a plural noun, okay? And when we have a plural, the complement would be there are, okay? So let's write them down. There, and the second word, there are, okay? So finally, to finish this exercise, we are going to read the exercise all together. There's a grandma. There are 5 birds. There's a grandpa. There's a bench. There are trees. There are flowers. Okay? So now we are going to review the verb exercise and stay with me please guys. Okay, now we are going to continue with our verbs activity. What we have to do is to write a sentence for each verb, okay? We have love, eat, and swim. That are the verbs that we have been practicing, okay? So let's start it by love. I'm going to write a sentence using the third person, okay? Then I can say, for example, okay, I can say she. Remember that when we write sentences, the first one goes with capital letter, okay? She loves, okay, this is my third person because I'm adding, right, the letter S. She loves pets, okay? Pets. Okay, remember that the word pets are all those animals that we can have at home, such as a rabbit, dogs, cats, turtles, okay? They are domestic animals, okay? At the end of each sentence, we have to add a period, okay? So let's go to the second sentence. This time I'm going to write a sentence in present continuous so I can say I'm. Uh, okay, we'll try to do it one more time. Okay, more or less. I'm. Okay, when I use the present continuous, I know that I have to add the letters ing at the end of my verb, okay? I'm eating, okay? Remember that when I use ing, I must use the verb to be, okay? I'm eating a, my complement here would be hamburger, a hamburger. Okay, wait. Be patient with your teacher. Okay, that's it. Okay, she loves pets. And the second sentence, I'm eating a hamburger. And I write my period at the end of the sentence. And in the third case, I want to write a sentence in past. So, as very simple sentence, I'm going to write I swam, my verb in past, okay? This is a irregular verb. It changes. I swam and my time expressions yesterday, okay? I swam yesterday, okay? You already know this word, okay? I swam yesterday, okay? And my period at the end and my capital letters at the beginning of the sentence. So I'm going to read them once, okay? The first one, she loves pets. The second, I'm eating a hamburger. And the third case, I swam yesterday, okay? So this is our second exercise. And now we are going to do one more exercise about our vocabulary, okay? Okay, well, this is our last activity, and it's the easiest one. We are going to label each fruit with the corresponding name, okay? So the first one, okay, you already know the names of these fruits. The first one we say orange, and we are going to write the right names here in the line. Orange. Okay, let's go to the second. And this is a banana. So write it down, banana. Okay. And the next fruit that we have here are cherries. Okay, cherries. They are delicious. Cherries. Cherries. Okay, great. Okay, let's go to the next word. Okay, we have here a chicken. So write chicken. That's it. Okay, let's go to the next. We have in the basket a lot of fruit. Okay, so we are going to write fruits. We have many fruits in our basket. Okay, and the last one we have a pear. Okay, let me write it down. Pear. Okay, so finally we are going to repeat the name of these fruits once. Okay, the first one we say orange. Orange. The second, banana. Again, banana. Okay. The next fruit, cherries. The next, chicken. Well, actually, this is not a fruit. This is meat. Okay. And the next image, sorry, we have fruits. A lot of fruits. Okay, all kind of fruits. And finally, we have a pear. Okay. Well, this is all for today's, guys. Tomorrow we are going to continue working in our activities in our notebook. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the class and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.